Hi guys, it's Rebecca here from Bride Society and I am on my way to Paris via the Eurostar for a romantic weekend getaway, and so I thought I'd take you with me in case you're trying to plan like a mini moon for after your wedding, so just like a short break before you go on like your full honeymoon if you've maybe already taken too much time off work for the wedding. So yeah, I'll take you with me and I hope we have a good time. Let's go, guys. Well, there were a lot of children on that Eurostar and it wasn't very comfortable, but it was quick and you don't even notice you've gone under the ocean. But anyway, I'm here, we've arrived and it's time to start exploring. So I've come to Zia for breakfast because it's quite highly rated on TripAdvisor, so I'm excited to see what it's like. We've gone for the brunch formula, so you get like tea, a juice, and granola and you can get that like with vegan options or Greek yogurt, and then like a main dish of your choice. And I'm getting the sweet pancakes, so we'll see how that is. My pancake is slightly more like a Yorkshire pudding, but I'm excited to try it. It looks amazing. And avocado roll. So I'm in the Musée d'Orsay, I think it's pronounced. It's not a museum. I may not be cultured enough to fully appreciate it. But I do appreciate the building. The building is pretty impressive. So it might be slightly wrong that I'm finding the restaurant some of the most impressive art in here. And check out this clock, like the building's just so beautiful. You can definitely spend a romantic couple of hours in here. So this is the other main art museum you can go to in Paris, which is the Musée du Louvre. Probably the more famous one that has just like the Mona Lisa, that kind of thing, but we've been to it on previous trips to Paris, so we're just going to walk on by, but wanted to show you it. Guys, I'm about to do one of the most British things you can do and buy tea whilst on holiday, but it's okay because it's French tea. It's not Yorkshire tea, it's French tea. So we're going in. What we got? Show the camera what we got. Oh, grain and apple. Favourite. We're gonna get some of my tea. English breakfast kind of girl. We had a successful purchase. But guys, also something I actually kind of want now is this like little travel case to take your tea around. I mean, what better thing is there than being able to take tea on the go? And that's just genius. You know what? We'll go back in to get one. I like this one. Yeah. Sorry for the dark lighting, but it's nighttime and I wanted to be able to give you a room tour, but apparently I can't be in the room when it's daylight. I'm just out in Paris enjoying myself, and I didn't want to then just show you the room like after we've like slept in the bed and it's all unmade and stuff, so I want it to look nice for you. So yeah, this bit will be a bit dark, but hopefully you'll get a good look around the room. We're staying in a hotel called Cinq Codet, and it's in the 7th district. It's a 5-star hotel, so it'd make a really nice honeymoon hotel destination if you're looking for somewhere to stay. This is our second night here, so I've had a bit of a chance to kind of get the lay of the land of the room and see what it's like. So far it's been quite comfortable. The shower's great. There's some USB ports and UK plugs as well as European plug sockets in the room. I'm all for USB ports, so many devices going around. And the decor is really cool. It's quite a modern hotel, if that's what you're looking for. We quite like that more modern look over the kind of older, quaint kind of look, but if that's what you're into, then this could be the one for you. So let me flip this camera around and I'll give you a walk around. So I'm just stood in the doorway of the room, and you can see it go straight into the room. There's a double bed there. It's actually, I think, 2 single beds put together. But it's still reasonably comfortable. I didn't really notice too much once I was in bed last night. But I really like the decor of the room. We've got quite a funky wall there, which they've managed to, I noticed, really well line up like the wallpaper. But that must have taken them a while. Also enjoying the fact that these curtains are operated by a switch, so that's quite fun and novel. And during the day, this actually, you can see straight through into the bathroom. It's just got a blind down for the evening, and excuse our luggage, but it has a nice sort of seating area as well, and TV with more USB ports and coffee making facilities. There's no iron and ironing board though, so just be aware of that. But I think the real selling feature of this place is the bathroom. So you've got a really nice bath there with a shower head as well. It's natural light during the day. Look at this, like this faucet is really cool. And these really deep sinks. So there's like a his and hers with the towels. Also enjoying the bath mats there. And the piece de resistance is the shower room. Like, it's properly like sort of spa-esque, almost like a sauna room, that kind of thing. And in case this is important to you, it's the PowerPoints that are in the bathroom. But yeah, it's really, really beautiful in here. But yeah, so that is the room. So we just checked out the place behind me for brunch. It's got good brunch hours, and it was rated #1 in our area on TripAdvisor for breakfast. I don't think we'd agree with that. Minimalist, I think, is maybe the word. It tastes nice, but minimal. Anyway, enough of that. We're gonna go catch a boat and have a bit more of a stroll around. So to give you some fair warning, guys, security's increased somewhat since I was here last, which is good, but this is what it means. It is a Sunday afternoon and it was the Paris Marathon today, but still. And this is just to go in the ground, it's not even to go up the tower, which you can do, and it is romantic, but yeah. So we have hopped on to the Bateau Bus, and it's basically a hop on, hop off bus tour up and down the river. You get off at the main tourist spots and yeah, just get on and off. It's not guided tour as such, but it's a nice little boat with view. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so show me where we got on and where we're going to get off.
We got on here.
The Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
Yep.
I don't know where we're going yet.
I don't know where we're going.
But we're going to go that way.
So we just decided to spontaneously get off the boat at these gardens and to take a look around, and they're actually really pretty. It's early April right now, to give you an idea of what you see at this time of year, but if I just pan around, you see there's a lot of very organised poppies behind me. There's also a little zoo, some really nice blossom. So I definitely get off and have a look around if you're coming this way. So don't judge me, but we've come to Wagamama's. It's actually the only one we found in Paris, but we're kind of struggling with the restaurants in Paris. Like, it's probably just us, but we really can't kind of find the kind of caliber and feel that we'd want. I feel like all the restaurants here are really like crammed up, and everyone's like sat on top of each other, and food's sort of mediocre and not very sort of diverse, but it could just be us. But anyway, we wanted something slightly familiar, so we have come to Wagamama's, and it is good and more spacious.
Paris do, however, have their patisseries down, so just to prove we didn't just go to Wagamama's and stick with the English, here's me buying macarons.
So Paris is a really beautiful walking city. So if you're like my husband and I, and you really like to sort of walk around new cities and just take in the atmosphere, this is a really perfect place to do that. There are so many like gardens around, and this one I'm in right now is really great, and it connects from like the Louvre up to the Arc de Triomphe, which is behind me. I don't know if you can see it, it might be a bit blown out, but hopefully you can. And it's like, there's just so many wonderful sights to see on foot, so if you get good weather for it, it'll really make your week.
So that's the end of our Paris trip. It's been a good one. Basically, like 3 things I have learned about Paris on this trip is everybody still smokes here. Seems odd to me, but they still do. Everyone's really into wearing those like Apple earbuds. I'm seeing like everyone with them in, they're like the wireless little white ones. And scooters, like tourists, but I think pretty sure like Parisians themselves just scooting around all the time. Better than a car, I guess, but unexpected. And I feel like that wasn't a thing last time I was here, but there you go. Anyway, so that's it for this trip. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. Please hit subscribe and give the video a like. And if you've got any future requests for other videos, let me know. We'll do our best to do that. But otherwise, I am off to bed because we have got quite an early flight out in the morning. But that's it. Thanks for coming, guys.